Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App license scan not working. Cash App generally scans license for verification within seconds. However, if Cash App is not able to scan the license at the moment, it can be due to a temporary technical issue. So first of all, you need to clear app cache. Go to your device settings and then scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Then tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the Cash App and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload App. Tap again to confirm. It'll take a bit for processing, and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap on it to reinstall the app. But if Cash App license scan still not working, then you need to contact customer support officials. Open up Cash App on your device and then tap on this profile icon in the top right corner. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on support. Over here, you need to tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and tap on Cash Card. Again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Contact Support, and then click on Not About a Transaction right over here. Once you're on this screen, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact Customer Support Official. Now briefly explain the issue to the Cash App representative. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi Michael, I tried scanning my license within the Cash App to verify my identity. I even took the photo in a well-lit, glare-free area and made sure the license is valid. However, I am not able to verify my identity. The front of my license scans fine, but the back of it doesn't scan no matter what I do." Hopefully, the Cash App representative will help you fix Cash App license scan not working, and if they did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.